A single sneeze recorded on TikTok unraveled a mystery that had stumped detectives for years, when an unexpected sound in the background of the video matched a crucial piece of evidence in a cold case. What started as an everyday moment turned viral sensation led investigators to revisit the scene, armed with fresh clues that linked the sneeze's location to a long-abandoned warehouse. There, they discovered overlooked evidence that reignited the investigation, piecing together stray threads of the enigma with sudden clarity. The TikTok video, innocuous in its inception, inadvertently rekindled a pursuit for truth, all because the mic picked up what had been missed before, a faint echo of a distinct sound, a vital connection that turned a sneeze into the linchpin of a breakthrough. Suddenly, what passed as a fleeting moment on social media became a cornerstone in solving the unsolvable, demonstrating the unexpected power of digital serendipity in the age of constant connectivity.